So I don't know if anybody is having a similar experience as I am this year, but summer is flying by. And I think I found a watch to keep a little bit of those summer vibes on wrist, even once it's over. The watch is from Christopher Ward, and we're going to be doing an unboxing today. I'll eventually be doing a full video on the watch, but really excited about this one. Big thanks to Christopher Ward for lending this in for a few day test drive. Really appreciate it. But let's get to it and check out the watch. All right, Sue. Let's get into this. Pretty excited about this one. Christopher Ward has been coming out with a lot of really cool watches this year. This one has been out for a little while now, but well, there is the name of the watch. I'm not going to open up this booklet because I believe there's pictures of it in there, and I want to save the suspense just for a while. White cloth. And here is the watch. Take a look at that dial. Talk about a summery dial. Nice winding action. Wow, love that blue fading to kind of a green. Like always, very nice bezel action with Christopher Ward divers. Nicely finished bracelet with a ratcheting dive extension. Cool. I'm going to get in for a little bit closer look at the dial here. One little detail is the color matched date wheel. So the watch is the C60 Atoll 300. This is the Reef Blue version. The dial is a lacquered dial. Gorgeous watch. Got their beautiful light catcher case. Very nice. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on wrist. And I just love how their cases contour to the wrist. Great looking watch. I love the stainless steel bezel insert. Going to be a lot of fun wearing this the next few days. So again, keep an eye out for the full video on this watch coming very soon. Actually got quite a few interesting videos coming up. So that's it for today. Just a really quick one. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.